how to add where you've worked and where you've studied. So if you go to timeline where you are right now, the main page, and you click on about, and then over here, this is the main overview. But if you just click on the left where it says work and education, you can click on these and change where you've worked and where you studied. So if we go to work and click on add a workplace, you can type in your company, it could be whatever, just type in Work Insight. You can write in your position, CEO, you can type in your town, city. I'm in London at the moment. Description, any description you want. You don't have to write one if you don't want to. Time period of how long you've worked in that place. It's entirely up to you. I'm just going to keep it, or yeah. And then you just hit on save changes. Now, before you hit save changes, you can make it public so that everyone can see it, or change it. This is the privacy settings, by the way, on this particular update. You can set it on friends so that only the people who are on your friends list can see it, or you can put it on only me, which means it's only private to you, no one else can see it. Or you can click on custom. Now if we click on that, you can share it with specific people. Okay, so, or maybe you can put choose someone that you don't want on your friends list to see it, but the rest can see it. So yeah, so you have quite a bit of freedom. So I'm just going to leave it public. And it's just saving. It's letting you know new life event, and it's going to post it publicly, so everyone's going to see that you've got a new life event. Well, actually, it gives you an option to do that. You can dismiss this and just say dismiss, but it will put it on your about part of your Facebook personal site. Now, if we go down here to professional skills, it's up to you. You can type in whatever. You can just put down YouTuber and just select from the list. And I'm just going to put YouTuber, and then save changes. And university or high school, depending on where you went, you know. So you can just type in the name of your school, maybe perhaps a description if you graduated, when you started, when you finished, what you concentrated on, and then so forth. Just cancel that. And same with high school. You can put in high school as well.